Hello everybody, bonjour, comment ça va? And welcome back to my channel. My name is Lazuske and I talk about the practical usage of VR. That's right. And today we're going to be discussing a really cool app called Veer. But before we go into that, let's roll the intro. Let's go. Welcome back. Remember to like and subscribe, share some love so that together you and I can grow the channel and expand the community. Yeah, that is what it's all about. So today we're going to be talking about Veer, which is an online app where you can basically upload any VR360 content. Now last week in the link there, we spoke about YouTube VR. The biggest difference between YouTube VR and Veer is Veer basically is backed by the Chinese. So if you're from a foreign country maybe, or you're looking for more content creators who are based in Asia, then Veer is definitely the place to go. Now all you have to do is go to veer.tv, log in, create an account. You can also do it through the app as well. It's completely free. And they focus mainly on VR360 content only, as opposed to YouTube VR, which has a whole bunch of different things. The other really cool thing though, is that you can create channels where you can ask people to pay to view your content by content. So maybe you're a brand, you're looking to generate more revenue, or you're a content creator or solopreneur, you're doing some tutorials. Maybe you do the first 2 or 3 videos for free, but then you have a whole season where basically people could pay for each video. So there's a lot of good benefits from it. So without further ado, let's jump into Oculus and I'll show you what it's all about. Okay, so we're now inside the Oculus. Let's go and check out this really cool app called Veer. Okay, so once you load up Veer, Veer will load up this really cool UI, and there's a little guy down there, hello, in a picture. And then at the top over there, you will see all the different ways that you can browse the site. Now the content can only be uploaded similarly to YouTube VR from the actual Veer website itself. And what really differentiates this platform from other platforms where content can be uploaded is you can actually browse by top paid. And top paid is a feature that's in beta at the moment for the public, where content creators could actually charge for the content to be viewed. So if you're a hobbyist and you want to make additional passive income, you can then create some cool content there. Or if you're a content creator, you want to do some tutorials, maybe make the first few minutes for free, but then if people want to watch the full tutorial, they can then pay the full amount. Or if you're a business and you want to make additional content to increase revenue for your company, then also you can use Veer to do that. So Veer has all types of different content. It's really user-friendly. The UI is really clear. The colors are really nice and inviting, and the quality of the content that you watch is also dependent on the quality of the technology, of the tool, of the camera that is purchased or used by the content creator itself. So it gives you a nice little description of the content before you buy it, with a little preview, and also I'm immersed in one of the stills. So this is an animation, for example. And the other thing that's quite different from Veer is actually Chinese. Veer is not American. So a lot of content that will be here will also be from Asia. So I think it's a great way for Westerners and foreigners or other people from all over the world who are maybe not so diverse in content coming from Asia to explore Asian-based content. My AI girlfriend. That is completely crazy. Secret Galaxy, let's check this out. So let's just see and explore just to show you the quality of the content.
history, humans were raising their heads up and admired the
Wow.
starry heavens.
This is pretty amazing.
But how this magnificent spectacle would look like if our eyes could see in other forms of light.
So by pressing on the control panel, I can also pause the video. I can also adjust the volume. And I can change the quality of what I'm looking at.
As infrared.
Wow, this is
Rays.
amazing. A bit too hallucinogenic for me. Okay, so we just log out of here. Go back to home. Okay, there we go. So we can look at some extreme sports just to see what it looks like.
Okay, last cockpit, we take off. Cockpit will be F22, Veer.
So the quality here is extremely good. Everything is clear, just like YouTube VR. They've really done a great job in terms of the rendering and the streaming of the quality of the content. And I'm using Wi-Fi.
Yeah, here's the day rate. Oculus, Mustang, Heritage Mustang, go. I got that on good side. We're showing for landing over the Veer.
Heritage Mustang, Oakland Tower, make right traffic, runway 28 right. Keep the 880 freeway off your right side for departing right lane team.
Oh, Roger, keep the freeway off our right wing and then 1,000 feet right now.
Let's fast forward, see what it's like in the sky. So we have to hold on to something. Oh! Alright, I really feel like I'm in there and I did not expect that. So there's a lot of different content that you can explore, that you can watch. I think Veer have done a great job. The only thing that I think separates Veer in terms of functionality compared to YouTube VR, for example, is that I'm not able to grab my screen and move around. If I use my trigger, they're telling me to like the video. So when I go into the settings, I try to use this to pan around, but it doesn't seem to be. Yes, so this is the biggest difference. I think YouTube VR in terms of functionality for looking around is more user-friendly for those who, for example, are sitting down. But if you are, of course, standing up, then it makes no difference at all. And also, most of the content on Veer is 360 VR. It is not 2D stuff. So Veer is really a platform that specializes purely for VR360 content, as opposed to YouTube VR, which specializes in any type of content, whether it's 3D, 360, or just a 2D image. All right, this was an introduction to Veer. Let's get out of the Oculus. Okay, so today we spoke about Veer, which is an online content sharing platform where you can upload all your VR360 content videos and also charge people for watching your content, which is pretty cool. Remember to like and subscribe. Leave a comment below. Type as fast as you can, leave as many comments as you can. And of course, as always, leave me your ideas and suggestions so I can go out and shoot potentially some really cool videos for you guys. All right, until next time, thank you for watching. Take it easy. DJ Q Music. Whoosh.